In this video, I want to give you a very powerful growth strategy for your online business, and it comes from the book Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. For those of you who know, Russell Brunson is the founder of ClickFunnels, which is today $1 billion business. It's a marketing funnel, marketing automation business. But the key is that Russell Brunson used this strategy almost exclusively in the first 2 years of growing this business, growing his business, growing ClickFunnels. And I believe it is one of the most underrated and one of the most powerful growth strategies that is available to entrepreneurs at every stage of business. And even at 2000 books, we've been using this strategy relentlessly for the past few years. It literally generated $23,128 just in the last 2 weeks at 2000 books. So, you need to take notes. You need to pay attention to this strategy. It's been one of the greatest growth strategies at 2000 books. Not only that, Tim Ferriss used this strategy to launch his book, the bestseller 4-Hour Workweek. He spent over a year getting to know some of the most influential bloggers in his space while he was writing his book. And once he finished writing his book, he sent out over 1,000 pre-release copies to the bloggers he had built these relationships with. And he asked each of them to write a review on launch day. And because people love the book, because those bloggers love the book, that book skyrocketed. And his army of affiliates, Tim Ferriss's army of affiliates, helped send his book, The 4-Hour Work Week, literally to overnight status, to bestseller status overnight. So really powerful strategy is, this is one of the most powerful strategies. It is affiliate marketing. Especially if you have a proven product. Most people think of affiliate marketing as the other way, where you are promoting someone else's product, but I'm teaching you something else. I'm teaching you, if you have a proven product that converts and it has good sales conversions, then you can sell it through affiliates and you can really dramatically grow your business. You see, the key here is to understand that you don't have to be good at everything in business. You don't have to be good at traffic, at building traffic. You can get an army of affiliates to promote your products and services with their method of traffic, and you give them a commission for every sale. So it's almost like you're only paying them when they make a sale for you, and you are literally relying on the efforts of other people, and you pay them for results. This is high leverage. When you are relying on the efforts of other people to grow your business, this is extremely high leverage. Rather than relying on your own personal efforts, you're relying on other people's efforts to grow your business. And not only that, you're putting money in their pockets. So it's a big, big win-win. Instead of trying to become the best person in the world at driving traffic through every possible channel, every possible traffic source, you are creating an opportunity for your affiliates to make money by promoting your products, your services, and you focus your effort on finding these affiliates, recruiting them, training them, and paying them. So this is really important to understand. And your job in many ways is to recruit your affiliates. Now, this only happens once you have a proven product. At 2000 books, we have a lot of proven products. We have our book summary packs that people love, that convert amazingly. Not only that, we have our high performance courses like the Double Your Productivity by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Again, it converts like crazy. So this is a product that any of our affiliates feel very good promoting about. And in some ways, this is your job to recruit your affiliates, your Dream 100, to find those people in your network who have giant distribution channels, whether it be email lists or followers or YouTube viewers or subscribers to their podcast, whatever it is. Your job is to identify these people and how you can leverage their distribution to make it a win-win for both you and for your affiliate. For example, at 2000 books, just 2 weeks ago on Wednesday night, probably around 9 p.m., I reached out to a friend of mine with a podcast network, and I asked him, hey, do you have any promotions going on this week? He said, no. So I said, hey, why don't you interview me on your podcast, and I will educate your audience. I'll bring a lot of value, and then I'll promote one of our products, and you will get 50% of the revenue. So he agreed to it. And Thursday morning at 6:30 a.m., I was still tired, but we recorded a podcast interview, and that podcast interview generated $7,812 as of right now. Just that podcast interview has generated $7,812 as of right now, as of this recording. So this is really powerful. It's a simple process. It's a really simple process, but the key is you have to do it and you have to have a proven product to make it work. You have to invite 100 of your, you need to invite your power network to promote your product. Explain why they should promote your product and why they should do it now. Maybe you invite 100 people, 130 people will say yes, 15 people will actually promote it, and only a few promotions will be a hit. But you just need a handful of hits to make up for all the misses in your promotion, in your affiliate strategy. Now, here is one thing you must understand. This is something I see so many people doing it wrong. You have to make sure that you compensate your affiliates really well. Now, how much should you pay your affiliates? The mindset you need to have is not how much money I can keep, but the mindset you want to have is the more you're able to pay your affiliates, the more likely they are to promote you, because they are your commission-based salespeople. These affiliates are going to be much more excited about promoting your product if you're going to pay them well. So try and pay out 50% of the revenue in your funnel to your affiliates. When ClickFunnels first launched, when Russell Brunson initially launched ClickFunnels, most software companies paid their affiliates 20 to 30% commission on sales. And ClickFunnels instead said, hey, we will give 40% commissions. And that's how they were able to recruit a lot of the affiliates who stopped promoting other softwares and instead started promoting ClickFunnels. So really important to understand, you have to compensate your affiliates very well. This is probably the biggest challenge I see with new entrepreneurs, especially when I'm coaching them. They have this scarcity mindset. They don't want to pay enough to the affiliates. Remember, if you pay enough to your affiliates, they will always want to help you. The most important lesson I can teach you in this whole game of entrepreneurship, especially in this game of affiliate marketing, is you must treat your affiliates exceptionally well. The more you pay them, the more they will want to promote your products, your services. Figure out more ways to make them more money, and they will keep your funnels filled with your dream customers. Never try to cut corners. Never try to pay them less. The more you pay your affiliates, the more money you will make. You have to have an abundance mindset. Remember, the more they make, the more you will make. So you always have to think, how can I make this campaign a victory for this person? How can I make it a win for my affiliate? That's what I always think. When I am thinking about doing an affiliate promotion, I'm always thinking, how can I make it a win for my affiliate? How can I make it so good that it's irresistible that they have to say yes? And always I over deliver on that promise. I over deliver by making sure the cookie is 60 days so that they get paid even when people buy products from us, even 60 days after they have initially bought the product. Even then our customers, our affiliates are getting paid out. Most people don't have cookies more than 30 days, but we do 60 days because we want to reward our affiliates. I know they're bringing us customers, and that is really, really important to understand. If you watched one of my last videos where I talked about acquiring customers, not profits, this goes along the same mindset. In the book, Getting Everything You Can Out of All You Got, Jay Abram talks about this idea that your job as an entrepreneur is to acquire customers, not profits. But profits will take care of themselves if you focus on acquiring customers. And this strategy is such a powerful strategy to acquire customers forever. For as long as you make it a win for your affiliates, you will always win. Okay, so if you are a content creator, if you are a blogger, podcaster, YouTuber who wants to make over $100,000 and you're making at least $30,000 per year, you want to make $100,000 and beyond, you should apply for my 6-Figure Accelerator Mastermind, which includes weekly group coaching with me. Not only that, I'm bringing in some big guns to help you get to the 6-figure mark. So every month you will have some very smart entrepreneurs teaching you powerful strategies to grow your business. And these are just some of the people I have lined up already for this. I have a friend of mine who's a YouTuber with over 2.5 million subscribers. He has a multi-million-dollar business. He's going to teach you how to build a YouTube business. I have a friend who was approached to sell his blog for over $1 million. Just And he built that blog just on SEO. So he will teach you some of his secret strategies on building a blog. Another one of my friends, he's the owner of one of the largest developer podcasts in the world, and he gets millions of downloads. He's going to teach you about podcasting. Also, I will teach you about copywriter. My copywriter is going to teach you about copywriting, about writing sales pages, about writing emails. Not only that, I will bring someone who literally wrote the best-selling book on Facebook ads. And I have someone who's going to teach you how to build six-figure masterminds. I'm going to have someone who will teach you how to build membership sites. He has a membership site that has over 1,000 members. And I'm going to bring in someone who's going to teach you how to sell over webinars. So all of these different components come together in the Six-Figure Accelerator Mastermind. If you are interested, you need to go to 2000books.com/coaching, 2000books.com/coaching in order to apply for the Six-Figure Accelerator, because I will be closing enrollment for it soon. So make sure you get there. And by the way, we have some bonus lessons here, and these bonus lessons are reserved for people who have bought our marketing book summary pack. So they're going to get these bonus lessons. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.